guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MaiAnh and today I'm gonna do a comparison and review of the ponytail hairband. This is like an Instagram viral thing where it's supposed to make your hair looks fuller than a normal hairband, and it's come like this. I got two, one in red and one in black. The red one is their new range of colors, and I'm like, I gotta get this because as you guys can see, I like red. And the black one is just match my natural hair color, so it's easier for me to just switch between the two. So today we're gonna try these out compared to a normal hairband. So you open it up like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but inside is a little bit bumpy so it can hold your hair. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more random stuff like this. I mean, these are some bougie ass hairband. $7 or $8 for this, and I got two. Plus shipping and all, plus tax and shipping, it's around $20 for two. So you can either get these or 20 for two. Is it really worth it? Let's figure it out. We're gonna start with the red one because obviously you cannot see this against my hair. First, you open it up like this. You're gonna take it like this and ow. Okay. So after you got it in, they said to be flat against your head, and you press it like this. Press it. That's kind of cute, but it's not done yet. So you will take your thumb and bend it inward so it's become like a shape of a horseshoe on the two sides. Out. That's really cute. That is really cute. And high up too. I like it. How do you think? How do you think? I like it. I really like this one so far because it makes my hair stand up and looks fuller. So, approve. I love it. So now for the durable test. Are you guys ready for some crazy shit? Because I'm about to start. Wow. Did you see that? It's still there. Yes. It's a bit loose, but nothing too much because I whip my hair back and forward. It does need a little bit of adjusting after every time I went crazy like that. But so far so good. Wanna try again? I love it. I love it. Oh, and I like that too. Sassy. Okay, so when you take them off, you just pull it out like this and open it up like this. It simply comes off like this. No hair fall out. That's great. I don't know if you still want to see me do this, with my hair because I think everybody knows. But I'm just gonna do it anyway for the sake of comparison. Okay. Well, it's kind of the same, but not as full as the other one, I suppose. I mean, it's not bad. But let me remind you that my hair is pretty long and heavy. So normally after a couple hours, it will start to like, how am I gonna say this? Like loosen up? Not loosen up, but start to go down. So to keep it up high like this, I have to tie the band a lot, and it's kind of hurt my head right now. So I really like this one. I think it's actually worth it. You know, it's just hurt. Oh my god, it's just hurt when your hair is long and you want to do ow. Ooh, okay. Okay, so for now, if I want a high ponytail, I'm gonna use this because this hurts. Ow. Ow. My hair, I feel like I'm pulling my hair out. Ow. Okay, I really like this one. 100% recommend. This is good. I'm gonna try the black one for you, just because I like it. The same. That's it. That's it. My hair does look fuller. And it's cute and it's not hurting my head as much as this. I'm gonna use this one a lot. I really do recommend this ponytail thing because it works and it doesn't hurt my hair as much when I put it up high like this. It's definitely make my hair looks fuller. I just like it. I think I repeat that 100 times in this video, but that's just to emphasize how much I like it right now. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you guys enjoy it, please make sure to put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more random stuff like this. I'll see you guys next time.